Hello, Lay fans. Today we're doing another Mr. Bubble video along with some crackles. So we're going to do this first. So I'm going to pour some in here. So these pop, snap, and fizz. So let's see what they do in here. Oh. Let's put them. Oh, they pop in my hand. It feels so weird. The one just went flying off my hand, guys. That is so weird. I'm going to keep them over here because they keep on popping. And yeah. Let's pour some more in. That's a lot. This is what they look like when they're all wet. And now we're going to do the Mr. Bubble foam stuff. And this is the mystery color, so I don't know which one it is. So let's do it. Oh, it's green. I knew it was going to be green. I just knew it would be green. I just knew it. And all these crackles are gone. This is so cool. It's so messy. Even the crackles are still popping and fizzing and snapping. And it looks like my two friends, Ariel and her sister, are going to go dive in. They're having a good time in there because it's green and they like the popping, snap, and fizz sound. So I hope you enjoy this video. Bye!